Making your IELTS speaking shine with personal stories and examples. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving deep into the IELTS speaking section, particularly Part 3, two-way discussion. One of the best ways to excel in this section is by using examples and personal experiences to support your ideas. Let's explore how. First and foremost, why is it beneficial to use personal experiences and examples? 1. Clarification. Your examples help to clarify your points and make them concrete. 2. Engagement. Personal stories can engage your examiner, making the conversation feel genuine. 3. Depth. Examples add depth to your answer, showing you've thought about the topic thoroughly. 4. Improved coherence. By recounting a story or example, your response tends to be more structured and coherent. When giving examples, they need to be relevant to the topic at hand. Here's a simple guideline. 1. State your point. Begin by stating your opinion or idea. 2. Introduce the example. Use phrases like, for instance, for example, or, based on my experience. 3. Detail the example. Describe the situation, action, and result. 4. Link back. Reiterate how the example supports your point. Sharing personal experiences is a gem because they're unique to you. However, be mindful of 1. Being concise. While it's your experience, keep it brief and focused on the main point. 2. Staying relevant. Your story should relate directly to the topic. 3. Being genuine. It's okay if you haven't experienced something directly related to the topic. You can discuss a friend's experience or a story you've heard, but be honest about it. Remember, 1. Not just stories. While examples and experiences are valuable, your answer shouldn't just be a story. Balance your response. 2. Transition smoothly. Use transitional phrases like, this reminds me of, or, similarly, in my own experience. 3. Avoid repetition. Don't reuse the same example for multiple questions. That's a wrap. Using examples and personal experiences can truly elevate your responses in the IELTS speaking section. Practice incorporating them into your answers, and you'll soon find it becomes second nature. Remember, the IELTS is not just about language proficiency, but also your ability to communicate ideas effectively. Best of luck, and happy studying!